It's a third annual Sundress and Sharks Crawfish Festival at the HP Ranch located here in Houston. As you see, I'm walking through before the event starts. Everybody's setting up, the vendors and everybody. And this is a really nice ranch. As you see, I'm fit to walk here under the tent where J. Paul is going to be performing later on. And right now it's about, I'd say about 11 o'clock. The event don't start till maybe 12 or 2 o'clock. But they wanted all the vendors here early to get set up. You see they're getting some crawfish ready as they're giving away free crawfish. And this is inside the venue. It's very nice. Over there on the right is the bar. And they're going to be serving crawfish here on the right also. See, they're getting the tables and stuff clean. As the guests is going to start piling in probably in another couple hours. Okay, I'm going to walk back to where we're going to be setting up our food truck, J. Harvey's Grill. As you see, it's a lot of trees and shades. And see, somebody done set up in the shade tree and they got places over there for horses. And this is a painter from Jamaica. This is some of his artwork. As he told me, he's been painting all his life. You know, he didn't take no classes or anything. It was just natural. Okay, we got other vendors set up. People selling shirts and different types of little knickknacks and arts. So these are the food vendors here. As you see, the J. Harvey's Grill, we haven't set up yet, but you also have Pat's Wings and Creole trailers. So the event is going to start here. You see we have took a few things out, set up our tent. And Pat's Wings set up, CC Creole is set up also.